Standard 6, Chapter 1, Food, where does it come from? In this chapter, we should discuss about the food and the sources from where food comes. That means from where do we get food? First question is that what is food? Very simple. Food is an organic compound which helps us to stay alive, which gives us energy, which helps to build our body, and which protect our body from different diseases. Now we get food from different sources. What are that sources? Plant sources and animal sources. Now, if you think about plant sources, from the plants we get protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals. Again, from the animal sources, you also get all these things. Now, if you think about plants, so many plants are there which total body is edible. In some plants, roots are edible. In some plants, leaves are edible. In some plants, fruits are edible. Now, human beings are very clever. They used to eat that part of the plant into which the plant stores maximum amount of food. All of us eat mangoes, that is the fruit. But we do not eat the leaves of mangoes because we know that the food is stored inside the fruits. Again, if you think about radish and carrot, we eat the roots of radish and carrot. Why? Because we know the radish and carrot, they store maximum part of their food in their roots. Similarly, we eat cabbage, leaves of cabbage. Same thing. The maximum part of the food prepared by the plant is stored in cabbage. That is the reason we eat the leaves of cabbage. Now, when you will make your food, some ingredients are needed. Ingredients means the parts which combine together to make food. That means if you think you have to make a chicken curry, what are the ingredients? First of all, chicken. Second one, spices like garlic, cardamom, clove, etc. Mustard oil is there, onion is there, water is there, salt is there. These are called the ingredients. These ingredients are cooked to make food. In some cases, say if you have to make kheer from milk, so what are the ingredients? Milk is there, rice is there, sugar is there, okay, raisins are there, cashew nut is there. So these are called ingredients. Now, the source of protein. What are the main source of protein? From the plants, we also get protein. From the pulses are the rich source of protein. Soybean also rich source of protein. Fat, mustard oil, that is cooking oil. Carbohydrate, rice, wheat, potato. And vitamins and minerals are very common. Carrot, you will get vitamin A. Like that. In case of animals, they are also source of food. We get eggs from hen, duck, meat from chicken, from goat, so sheep. So from the animal source also we get different ingredients of food, and out of that, meat, fish, egg, these are the source of protein. Okay, the fat, what is called charvi, that is the source of fat we get from meat. From the egg also we get fat. Okay, cod liver oil, it is very rich in vitamin A. We get it from the fish. So, all these things are discussed in this chapter. If you will go through the chapter, you will be able to understand. Some terms are there. Oh, one thing is honey. Honey is also food, and we get that from honeybee. Actually, honeybee, what does honeybee do? Honeybees, they used to roam flower to flower, collect nectar, they digest that and regurgitate that. That means vomiting, and that is used as honey. And it is a very good food, used in medicine also. If you put some grains, say gram, wheat, moong, you just make it wet and keep it on a plate. After 2-3 days, you will see that some white structures are coming out, look-like structures are coming out. These are called sprouted roots, means germinated roots. Okay. Now, we should not think about us only. There are so many animals which are carnivorous, herbivorous, and we are omnivorous. Herbivorous means they eat only plants and plant products. Carnivorous animals, that means they eat only flesh of other animals, and we, human beings, are omnivorous because we eat everything. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter. You will go through the chapter, you will read the chapter, and I will send all the question answers, that is study material. I will make it available. Thank you.